YouTube? Welcome back to the On The Gas Show. And we're back with another video, guys. And today we are just here at the shop hanging out, getting ready, because we got a long week and long weekend coming up. As you guys know, we will be going to Mexico with the Tekashi burnout truck. That's going to be a lot of fun. We will have our first stop in Reynosa, Tamaulipas, y luego Monterrey, Nuevo León. A toda la recita que no me entendió, ahorita nos estamos preparando porque pues vamos a ir para México este fin de semana y nos vamos a llevar la Tekashi. Vamos a ir a Reynosa, Tamaulipas, va a ser la primera parada ahí con los compas, Chuy Ramírez y toda la banda de allá. Y luego le vamos a pegar para Monterrey, porque el sábado hay un evento privado allá con el compa Junior, ahí en el track de Monterrey. Y pues vamos a estar llevando la Tekashi. Por primera vez vamos a llevar la Tekashi para México. Now, si ustedes saben bien, nosotros hemos estado haciendo videos en México desde que comenzamos el YouTube channel. Si se recuerdan que usamos mucho las cumbias, íbamos mucho para Monterrey a comprar partes allá y todo ese pedo. Bueno, ahora por primera vez vamos a llevar la Tekashi y vamos a ver cómo se pone. Si se pone bueno, de repente a la otra vuelta pues nos podemos llevar más mugrero, más desmadre, ¿sí me entiendes? Nos podemos llevar la Tekashi, nos podemos llevar la troca de sonido, nos podemos llevar una troca de carreras para jugar carreras. Ahorita vamos a ir a calar, vamos a ir a ver cómo está la onda y luego después de ahí el otro año ya podemos aventarnos y nos llevamos más muebles, así para que se ponga con madre el pedo. Bueno, ahorita we got the Can-Am giveaway going on right now, guys, and we're running this one for 2 weeks now. You literally have about a week and a half to get entered. Anything on the website will get you an entry. Every dollar spent is one entry. This Can-Am is pretty much decked out all the way. It doesn't need anything, it just needs a new owner and you could be the next one. Now, we do have a cash option, which is going to be $30,000 in cash. You can take this whenever we call you, whenever we call the winner, we're going to ask the winner if they want this Can-Am or if they want $30,000, right, Tiny?
That is right, $30,000 in cash.
Cash, yes, and it'll serve somebody really good just because we got Christmas going on.
That's
New
right.
Year's, you know, or start the new year with $30,000 in your bank account.
$30,000 goes a long way and you could use it for anything you want.
Yes.
And we know people probably don't want a Can-Am, but 30,000, everybody wants 30,000.
Everybody wants 30,000. So pretty much you're gambling for two things, for the Can-Am or $30,000 in cash. Let's just say, you know what, Tiny? I don't really like the Can-Ams. I live in New York. There's no place to ride it. I live in the city. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a trailer. I don't have a truck to haul it. But you can participate for this 30,000.
30 G's, that's
30
a lot of money.
Now, I did see some people that were interested in the Can-Am, but they didn't really like the big wheels or the big tires or the portals. So we have an option. We're gonna give these guys an option, bro. If you win the Can-Am, if you don't care for the big wheels and tires and portals, okay, we can give you, we'll put it back to, not completely to stock, but we can take off the portals. Turn around because it's dark. And we can put the nice custom wheels that we got for it. Now, these are not original. I actually paid a lot of money for these things, and this is a real B-Log. It's double B-Log, so you got the B-Log right here, then you got another set of B-Log right there. They kind of look like Bogarts.
Yeah, they're B-Logs. It looks real good.
Yeah, and then I bought this tire. It's a nice 33 Toyo. So you can win it, you can take it. If you want the big wheels, you can take it with the big wheels. If you want the Ruta route, which is something like this, well then, because I seen a comment be like, oh, in California we don't have there is probably mud parks over there, but they're more into the sand.
That's right. This fits more the Baja style, the sand, the
dunes.
Yes. This will fit it perfect, especially with the B-Log, but that's mostly on the west coast. On the east side is the muddy side.
Yeah. On the south side. We're over here in the south side.
Yeah, south side.
You gotta understand, guys, that we are in the swamps.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? We got a bunch of lakes out here. We got gators. You know what I'm saying? We in the swamp, you know, we're in Texas, Louisiana, all that good stuff. So over here, we really, I mean, if we take these out, we're gonna get stuck.
We're gonna get stuck in Crosby. Our scene is more muddy wise, so we need those big flappy tires to be able to dig into the mud. But if you're in the rock side or the sand dune side, these will actually work real perfect for your setup. So you get that option. I mean, any way you want it, you get it. And it is a Can-Am X3 Turbo.
Yes.
So I mean, it has a lot of power too.
Yes, it does have a lot of power, and it's tuned, and it does have an exhaust. It has everything. And you guys will decide if you want to take either the big tires, big wheels, portals, or if you want to take the nice custom B-Logs that we got for it. And it matches too, so it doesn't get any better than that. Anything on the website, guy, will get you an entry. And then we dropped this nice ring shirt.
That's right.
With the championship shirt, which is that one right there. I forgot to bring my rings.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I actually got the rings and stuff like that. I got two. one with It's Just Paper, one with On the Gas. So we decided to do the shirt. Houston very own On the Gas champions since 2012, which was when we created the official On the Gas brand. Now we've been doing it since like 2008 with another name, but On the Gas officially started in 2012. But we've been in the game longer than that. So yeah, this is pretty cool shirt. But if you don't like the shirt, anything on the website will get you an entry. Any hoodie, any shirt, any decal, license plate,
anything is gonna get you entries. But if you want those extra entries and you like the shirt, you gain 75 entries just purchasing this shirt.
Yes. Now we're gonna go to Baytown and pick up the TRX. We did a leveling kit on it, so let's head out because it's getting late. Also got this nice Shelby. We got that nice Hellcat Ram right there. So this is gonna be going to the valley, and we will be racing Chu Ramirez with it, and we can give you guys that badass content. So let's go to Baytown because it's getting late. So we're here at Max Performance, and the truck is literally, they just got done with it. They just did the alignment on it. So we did a 2-inch spacer because they didn't have the springs at the time when we ordered them. So now it looks a little bit better. We got a little bit more clearance here. Now it used to rub a little bit over here whenever we made the turn right there. But now it rubs a little less, but it does look a little bit better. So I'm happy. The guy's actually talking about that it's really loud, and it is. Super loud. Oh yeah. So we added a spacer or a spring?
Spacer underneath the bottom. I don't know if you're cool with it, but we'll change out your chrome lug nuts.
Oh, we had, oh okay, they were chrome?
Yeah, they're black now. They're
okay.
a little better.
I didn't even notice. So the spring and the spacer works the same way?
Yeah.
I think when we ordered it, there were no springs at the time, so we got the spacer.
It's a good spacer, bro. Fouts, you know what I mean?
So it'll ride the same, it'll feel good, it'll feel...
Still gonna be butter.
Okay.
Still gonna be butter.
Nice.
This truck is fucking smooth, bro. Like,
yeah.
Even with 24s.
Yeah, 24s on 35s.
That's good. I mean, if you want to fit somebody else, this is the way to do it. The haters gotta have something to hate on, though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, my neighbors are hating.
We can't make everybody happy,
right? Oh yeah, that thing looks nice. I like it. I can see the difference already. That bitch is that loud?
That bitch is
really?
loud, bro.
I've never heard it. This is the first time I hear it.
Loud. It's too loud. It's good. It's riding.
Yeah.
Ride height on it.
Yeah, so we end up doing a 2-inch lift kit in the front, which was the spacer, but I don't have gas, and I need to pump gas, and it's E85. Ooh. Yeah, so I think homeboy said there's a E85 gas station around here, so we'll see if we can make it to the gas station. If not, we'll be out of gas, not on the gas anymore. Okay, how's it ride? It rides good? Oh yeah. So these trucks come fully equipped with like the best suspension ever. Like the shocks and everything. Like you can change up the settings on it. If you're on the snow, if you're on the sand, if it's raining, if it's towing, if you want to race, you put on sport. This truck does ride amazing already. So when you add a lift kit onto it, you gotta do the right one as well. You don't want to fuck up the ride on it. But homeboy said it rides good, smooth, and that's what we wanted. So yeah. All right guys, so we need fuel, so we're gonna stop here at the E85 gas station. This thing actually feels pretty tall. Even when I got on, I felt it, and now that I'm driving it, it does feel a little higher than what it was. Well, the thing is that it was higher in the back, and in the front it was kind of like this. It had like a stance like this, so I was kind of like, you know, forward, but now I feel like I'm just chilling to the back. And it does feel a little high. The suspension does feel a little bit, it's just a little bit stiffer, but not too bad. It still rides pretty good. So right now we're gonna head back to the to the shop. We're gonna have to deal with all this damn traffic. Get ready. And maybe, guys, we will be racing the Porsche versus the Shelby right now. So, man, it's gonna be a good one. I don't know, that Shelby picks up pretty quick. I know the Porsche is fast. You know, that thing has about 650 horsepower and it's overdrive and it's really light. I think we got a little bit more power on the Shelby, but it is a truck and it is heavy and it spins a little bit. I know the Porsche just fucking goes. So that's gonna be pretty tight. Hopefully we get that race in tonight before we leave, because tomorrow, like I said, we're going to Mexico. It's gonna be tight, it's gonna be badass. You guys do not want to miss that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that, and make sure you get into the giveaway. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get you a nice little Can-Am, a badass Can-Am, or $30,000. $30,000 is a lot of money. If you don't like this Can-Am, you go buy a new Can-Am if you want to. You go do a lot of things. Go buy you a truck or a car, or I don't know, a house. It's a down payment for a house, that's for sure. This guy said next to Taco Bell. Taco Bell's right there. But oh, okay, I see the guy. I see the gas station. I see it now. To the left, and then another left. Left. And this guy, E85.
They're trying to pop some cheeks.
What's with the fit today?
It's a little cold out here in Houston, you know what I'm saying? We ain't really used to wearing this kind of stuff, but today, you know what I'm saying, I had to pull out the leg huggers. He's gonna put that on the gas sticker.
I was gonna try to prank him and put the sticker myself.
And then he does it himself.
Yeah. Me and him talked about it.
Yeah.
He's the only one that... Oh my God, he is.
Bro, that ants in his ass, though. That's why he can't stay still. Get this shit out of me, dog. God damn, boy. Boy, I thought my legs was gone, boy. Them motherfuckers got close and I ain't got much. But they picked your ass up, though.
Dale un poquito para allá. Dale, aquí así tú vienes. Dale.
little bit.
Ahí está bien.
Yeah.
Rich nigga shit I do a lot of. Nigga, we be sippin' out the bottle. I be fresh as hell, rockin' Prada. I been out the PJ with a model. Swimming in a lot of money in the power. I been in the vault with the gold in the bed. Ay, no longer my dog, cause you told you a wreck. Hey, better be stagnated. Takes one bill, $500 rich.
Now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get some motion. Let's get some motion.
Wait, hey.
Go.
No.
Go. Otra. One more. Damn, come on, man. Move it. This bitch ain't moving, dog. All leg, no meat.
Shit, boy.
Fuck. More manpower.
Here, Jose. Hold the camera.
Alex, come here real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and get in the front, big dog.
Let's get some motion going.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, otra.
Thanks, Frank. Shit, that's all we need.
All right, guys, and there it is. We're locked and loaded. Now we're taking the Shelby back to the valley, and we will be racing Chu Ramirez on the 2-door TRX. And if you haven't seen that truck just yet, you will see it here in a couple of days. Also, we are taking Takashi for the very first time to Mexico. Now, we've been, like I said before, we pretty much, when we started our YouTube channel, we've been going to Mexico to go buy parts and stuff like that. And but for the first time, we will be taking a burnout truck over there. Now, we're gonna have a little show going on in Reynosa, which is the border, and then after that we will be going to Monterrey, and the event is Saturday in Monterrey at the racetrack over there, so it's gonna be pretty fun. We're not taking any race cars or race trucks just yet. We're gonna check it out, check out the track. We're gonna see how the environment is, and if it gets good, next year we will take a trailer full of trucks. You know, we can take the sound truck, we can take the burnout truck, we can take the 420. Yeah, well, it'll just be the 420.
The truck can go, but the owner can't.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna check out this. We're gonna check out the scene and see how it is and see what we need to take. Maybe if we take gangbang, it might be too fast. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we can take 420. So we'll check out everything once we get over there. And then of course we got the giveaway, guys. This giveaway, we're running it for 2 weeks and it ends December the 24th. So literally right before Christmas. Well, us Mexicans, we celebrate the 24th. So it ends on the 24th, but the white people celebrate the 25th. So it ends on the 24th, 11:59 p.m. You do not want to miss out. You can take this badass Can-Am or $30,000 in cash. Now, if it's going to Cali, and if you guys don't want this big ass tires, big wheels, portals, we can take all that off and we can give you guys the B-Log set that we had before, and then you can take it to the rutas over there, to the sand dunes and stuff like that. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. But if you're in it for the money, well, then you can just do that. You know what I'm saying? You might not like this stuff, or you might, you know, live in New York City, right in the middle of the building and stuff like that, and you might not have a place to put this thing on, or you're not interested in going money, but you might be interested on those $30,000. So get your entries. Every dollar spent is one entry on our website. Now we dropped the shirt with the rings, and we will be dropping a Can-Am shirt here coming up Monday, so y'all stay tuned for that. And of course, that one's gonna give you crazy entries for the Can-Am. Of course, if you want to wait on that, go ahead and wait on that. But if you want to get your little hat, little, you know what I'm saying, a little decal, a little sweater, whatever, you are more than welcome to do that. And that is it for today, guys. We will see you guys tomorrow. Let's go.